Hi dear students, today we are going to discuss a few problems about the sound chapter. Okay. The first question, find the frequency of a wave whose time period is 0.0008 second. Okay. Here we need to calculate the frequency. We know already about the time period. Okay. What is that time period is given here? Time period that is equal to 0.0008 second, that is already is given. Okay. Here we have to find out what? Frequency. Frequency that's to be calculated. Okay. To be calculated. So we know already that's formula of what? Time period. That's what's the formula of time period? Formula of time period that is equal to what? 1 by frequency. 1 by f. That's the frequency. Okay. So here that's what? We need to find out what frequency is. So that's frequency is the reciprocal of what? Time period. So here that's frequency that is equal to 1 upon 0.0008. Okay. So we will get the answer for 1250 Hz. So what is the frequency of the sound wave? The frequency of the sound wave, that is what? 1250 Hz. Did you understand this? Okay. And the next problem. Another question. What is the time period of the wave? Here we need to find out the time period. And having a frequency of 400 Hz. Here they are given the frequency, we need to find out the time period. Yes. So, frequency that is equal to 400 Hz, they are already given. We need to find out what time period. So, we find what time period. That is equal to, that's to be calculated. Okay. To be calculated. So, you know that time period equal to what? What is the formula of time period? Yes, 1 by f. So, there is given frequency that is equal to how much? 400 Hz. So, which means we will get the answer for 0.0025 second. This is the answer. Is it clear? Okay. And now we are going to discuss another problem. Okay. So the another question. 6,000 waves of water passes through a point in 10 minutes. Okay. 10 minutes. 6,000 waves that passes through the water. So here we need to find out the frequency and also time period of water waves. Okay. Two questions we have to solve here. First we need to find out what frequency. Okay. So we can start now. First one, number of waves they are given how much? Number of waves that is equal to 6,000. That is already given. Okay. Time we need to find out now. Time that is given how much? 10 minutes. No. So this 10 minutes. 10 into 60, we will get what? How much seconds? 600 seconds. So this now is converted to second. 10 minutes need to convert it to second. So the formula of the wave that's given by F equal to n by t. This n means that is number of waves. Okay. T that is equal to time period, okay, time, and f that is frequency. That is frequency. So here f that is equal to n, that is 6,000 upon time, that is 600 seconds. Okay. So this will be go highlight. After that This will be cancelled. Okay, 0, 0, zeros are cancelled. Now that 60 upon 6. 60 upon 6. So 60 upon 6 you will be get the answer, that is in the 10 hertz. What? 10 hertz. So what is the frequency? Frequency of the wave? Frequency of the wave, that is 10 hertz. Is it clear? Frequency of the wave, that is equal to 10 hertz. Okay? Okay. Now we need to find out the time period of water waves. Time period of water waves. See, that's time period of water waves. Okay, time period of water waves, that is equal to 10 into 60 upon 6,000. Okay. 600 upon 6,000. So 6 upon 60, you will get the answer 0.1 second. Say once again, time period of water waves that we need to find now. So here that the time 10 into 60, 10 minutes, no, and we need to convert a second. So 10 into 60 upon what, that is the number of waves. Okay, number of waves, that is given 6,000. So here that 600 upon 6,000. So here these zeros will be cancelled, and now we will get what, 6 upon 60. So that's answer becomes 0.1 second. Is it clear? Okay. Another question. A hammer is struck hard on a railway line. How far will the sound travel in 2.6 seconds? 2.6 seconds. 2.6 seconds. Assume that the velocity of sound in iron is 5,100 meter per second. Okay, 5,100 meter per second. That is the velocity of sound to a iron. Okay. So here we need to find out what, how far will the sound travel. Okay. So here the velocity of sound that is given. Velocity of sound in iron that is given 5,100 meter per second. Okay, and also given what time? The time is also given, time that is equal to 2.6. So that velocity of sound that is 5,100 meter per second. Okay, and the time that is equal to what? 2.6 seconds. So sound travel that is equal to distance traveled by sound. Okay, velocity of sound multiplied by time. So that is, what is the velocity of sound? 5,100 meter per second multiplied with 2.6 seconds. So when you multiply this, you will get the answer 13,260 meter. So this is the what sound distance traveled by the sound. Okay. See once again, velocity of sound in iron that is given 5,100 meter per second, and the time that is given 2.6 seconds, and sound travel is equal to what distance traveled by sound. Okay, so the velocity of sound multiplied with time, you know it, and this 5,100 meter per second multiplied with 2.6. So the second will be cancelled, you know that, and you will get the answer what 13,260 meter. Is that clear? Okay. So next video we will discuss about next chapter. Thank you.